Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. Today we're going to do something I haven't done in a while. We are going to make some pastrami. I'm going to show you a real easy way to do this. So let's get started. To get started on this pastrami project, I've got a piece of brisket flat here that weighs about 2.5 pounds, and I've trimmed the edges and the excess fat from this piece. I'm going to make a quick curing rub that contains pink curing salt, kosher salt, brown sugar, black pepper, coriander, and ground mustard. I've mixed up that rub and I'm going to apply it evenly on both sides of this brisket, and then I'm going to put my brisket in a vacuum seal bag and put it in the refrigerator and let that cure for 4 days. Once my pastrami's had an opportunity to cure in the refrigerator for 4 days, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to rinse off all of that rub and seasoning that's left there, and then we're going to put it in an ice water bath to kind of desalinate this, and I'm going to let it stay in there for at least 4 hours. 4 to 8 hours is going to be an optimal time for this process. And while the pastrami is desalinating, I'm going to go ahead and make the rub that we're going to use when we smoke this. This is going to contain black pepper, coriander, and granulated garlic. I'm going to get the mortar and pestle out and grind all this, and then we'll just mix it together in a small mixing bowl. And now we're going to move on to the smoker. I'm going to fire up the Myron Mixon Bark 2400 to 250 degrees and let it preheat. After 4 hours in the water bath, I've taken my pastrami out, I've dried it off with paper towels, and then we're going to spread our rub that we just made evenly and liberally on both sides of this meat. After this guy's nicely seasoned, I'm going to go ahead and throw it on the Bark 2400. We're going to cook this guy basically just like you would a brisket. I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to put my temperature probe in it, and we're going to cook this, but I'm going to pull it off when the internal temperature of the meat reaches about 195 degrees. I'm not going to take it quite as far as we would if we were cooking a typical brisket, so we'll be back when this is done. And here we are about 8 hours later. This guy is temping at 195 degrees. I think it's ready. So what we're going to do at this point is I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to wrap it up in aluminum foil, and I'm going to let it rest on the countertop for about an hour, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill overnight before we slice it up. Okay guys, I let this chill in the refrigerator overnight, and I've just taken it out and sliced it. And I just want you to have a look at that. This looks amazing. It tastes amazing. So if you've never had an opportunity to try making pastrami at home, you got to give this a shot. It's real easy. It doesn't take a lot of work, and it produces delicious results. So give this a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.